Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak lo mein. First, gather your ingredients, including a good cut of steak like flank or sirloin, and fresh lo mein noodles. You'll also need a variety of crisp vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and snow peas. We'll start by marinating the steak to ensure it's incredibly tender and flavorful, then move on to preparing the noodles to the perfect al dente texture. To begin, slice about 1 pound of flank or sirloin steak very thinly against the grain. This step is crucial for tenderness. Next, marinate the steak with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of black pepper for at least 15 minutes. While the steak marinates, cook 8 ounces of lo mein noodles according to package directions until they are just tender. Then drain and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. Now let's create that signature lo mein sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger for a burst of flavor. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat, then quickly stir-fry your marinated steak until it's beautifully browned, about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the steak and set it aside. Next, in the same wok, add your favorite vegetables, like 2 cups of sliced bell peppers, carrots, and snow peas, and stir-fry them until they are crisp tender, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Return the cooked steak to the pan, along with the prepared noodles and the delicious lo mein sauce. Toss everything together until it's well combined and heated through. Serve your homemade steak lo mein immediately and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.